guys, so we discuss about some teaching methodology question. So first question is slow learner basically um, is below the class average, that is called slow learner. Next, literacy day is fall on 8th September. 8th September is literacy day, like 5th September is teachers day, so 8th September is our answer. So it does not correspond to concept of special education, that is one which include the some specific aspect. So one very much requires specific teaching, that is not the correct. Okay, so, that is correct, actually not, you have to find. So some specific aspect mean very much specific teaching method are required for special. Next is high score is negatively skewed. High score is negatively skewed. Now which one of the following not principle of guidance, that is principle of perspectiveness. Next, lecture method is most valuable in providing depth knowledge. Next, the main characteristic of standardized test is free from personal error. Next is Skinner is R and S, okay? Response and stimulus theory. Next is child right education, that is child right related, that is this option, National Commission of Protection of Child Right. Next is school dropout from class 2 13 year age, that is 13 year will have admitted, so that is in class 6. Constructivism theory is Piaget, by Piaget. Next is the idea of multipurpose school was mooted by Modular Commission. Multipurpose Modular Commission. Next, Malcolm is the answer for post-independence era. Vocationalization of education. Now, a learning theory given by Sripp and Cantrill is known as ego involvement theory, a learning theory. And field theory is given by Kurt Lewin. Insight theory is Gasselt, and conditional theory is Ivan Pavlov. Next is two-factor theory is by Spearman. Then group factor theory is Thurston. Then sampling theory is Thomson. So here, a global capacity to think rationally, act purposefully, and deal effectively. That is the answer of this Whistler. Next is reliability of a test means consistency of measurement. Not is curriculum NCF, so that is ensuring the curriculum follow the textbook is, it should not the answer. Then hindrance of socialization is caused by prejudices. Next, continuous and comprehensive is inclusive education. Then if some student create the disturbance, that means understand them and engage them. Alright, now for general English, that is glacial. Glacial is school, meaning is school. Then garrulous means talkative. Next, I try to keep myself mundane. Here, mundane means unexciting. Mundane means unexciting. Okay? Not exciting. Mundane, not exciting. Right. Then it is a murderer trying to reach one office in such an inclement weather. So murderer, what is not appropriate here. Next is this goes only halfway to explaining to के बाद all the time V1. I asked where Ram was. ठीक है. Next is amnesty is general pardon. Amnesty based express the meaning is amnesty general amnesty, the act of an authority by which the pardon is granted. That is amnesty, called amnesty. Next is kaleidoscope means a telescope with reference lens. Next, absolve is blame. Absolve ka opposite meaning. Absolve means free from guilt, that is blame. Indolence is vigilance. Vigilance is the indolence, opposite word. Next, elaborate means opposite you have to find. Elaborate means made a great care. मच डिटेल, विथ मच डिटेल, ठीक है। एक्सप्लेन, एलाबोरेट मीन एक्सप्लेन, मच डिटेल। अ ब्रिज इज शॉर्ट, शॉर्ट द आंसर, अ ब्रिज, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट, न्यू मेंबर will be issued temporary identity card tomorrow, will be issued, not have been issued. Tomorrow is there na, so that's why will be. Next is when I went to Mumbai I realized that I need not have gone. The sky is very cloudy, it is going to rain, because it is cloudy na, it is going to rain. Next, keep him at an arm length, that is answer should be at arm's length, not at an arms, at arm's length. Next is such a job that you want is not available now, such a job that you wanted. Next is if it did not rain, you may reach there in time. So you might reach. You might if did not. So my make a past form is might. For the hell of it means just for fun. On cloud nine means to be very happy. When I get the job of KBS, I am on cloud of nine. A leak and promise. A leak and promise is to do something quickly and carelessly. A leak and a promise, ठीक है। उसके बाद देखो, आंखें दिखाना, आंखें दिखाना मुहावरे का अर्थ है धमकी देना। नेक्स्ट है निम्नलिखित शब्द में पन, पन प्रत्यय नहीं है। देखो, बालबान में पन है, भोलापन में भी पन है, मना मन पन है, ठीक है। दोस्तों, धनबान, धनबान में पन नहीं है। उसके बाद देखो अवतारण, अवतारण में कौन सा उपसर्ग है, अब, अब। नेक्स्ट इज मेरी लड़की कौन है, वाक्य में दिस इज कौन सा टाइप का कारक है, संबंध कारक। उसके बाद निम्नलिखित में कौन सा शब्द तत्पुरुष समास का उदाहरण है, दैट इज राजपुत्रो इज अ तत्पुरुष समास, ठीक है। राजपुत्र, तो तत्पुरुष समास कौन होता है, राजपुत्र का अर्थ होता है राजा का पुत्र। सो अतः राजपुत्र शब्द तत्पुरुष समास का उदाहरण है। बाकी जहाँ का विभक्ति का लोप हुआ है, अतः सही उत्तर राजपुत्र है, ठीक है, राजपुत्र है। सो पीताम्बर, पीताम्बर मीन्स पीले है जो अंबर, दैट इज कर्मधारय समास, ठीक है, वस्त्र। पीताम्बर, ठीक है, बहुप्रिय होता है। रात दिन, रात दिन इज रात और दिन, सो द्विगु समास। सो समास आप लोग बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ के जाइए। नेक्स्ट है ऊँट के मुंह में, ऊँट के मुंह में जीरा, जीरा एक कौन सा इसका इस लोक युक्ति का सही अर्थ है बहुत कम मात्रा में आपूर्ति। नेक्स्ट, निम्नलिखित शब्द में से तत्सम शब्द कौन सा है, तत्सम है दिवस, अदर ऑप्शन है पहाड़ा, आंसू, रेखा, ये सब तद्भव है। सो तत्सम, ठीक है, दिवस का तत्सम शब्द है एंड दिवस, अतः सही उत्तर है दिवस होगा। सो दिवस तत्सम शब्द है, तद्भव होता है दिन, ठीक है। तत्सम मैंने बहुत जो पुराने टाइम में यूज होता है, तद्भव मीन्स अभी। सो प्रहरा, पहाड़ा, अश्रु, आंसू, ठीक है। रुख, रूखा। नेक्स्ट है प किस तरह की ध्वनि है, प है अष्ट ध्वनि, अष्ट। देखो यहाँ पे मध्यान्ह ध्वनि कौन सा है, मध्यान्ह ड, ढ, ढ, र, न, दैट इज मध्यान्ह ध्वनि। एंड अष्ट ध्वनि है प, फ, ब, भ, म, म्य, सो दैट इज अष्ट ध्वनि। एंड तालव्य ध्वनि जैसे च, छ, ज, झ, य, सो तालव्य ध्वनि। नेक्स्ट, रहीम किस तरह की संज्ञा है, रहीम है व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा। नेक्स्ट, निम्नलिखित विकल्प में से शुद्ध वर्तनी वाले शब्द का चुनाव कीजिए। सो शुद्ध वर्तनी, दिस वन, श्रवण, श्रवण। नेक्स्ट है, किसी स्वर की सहायता से उच्चारित होने वाली वर्ण का क्या कहलाता है? सो व्यंजन वर्ण, व्यंजन वर्ण कहलाता है। किसी स्वर से सहायता से उच्चारित होने वाली वर्ण को हम लोग व्यंजन वर्ण बोलते हैं। सो विसर्ग वर्ण जिसमें विसर्ग यूज होता है, उसके बाद व्यंजन। महाप्राण मीन्स भाषा विज्ञान में महाप्राण व्यंजन वर्ण, ठीक है। वायु प्रवाह के साथ बोला जाना के वाले का महाप्राण बोला जाता है, ठीक है। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट, वर्तमान हिंदी हिंदी किस लिपि में, देवनागरी, देवनागरी लिपि में लिखा गया है? निम्नलिखित विकल्प में से शुद्ध वाक्य चुनिए। मेरे मेरे को भूख है, कल घर आएगा, कल कल घर आएंगे, ठीक है। राजा जरूर मरेगी, राजा जरूर मरेगी, वह बोले। तो देखिए, मेरे को भूख है, सो इसका शुद्ध वाक्य होगा मुझे भूख लगी है। राजा जरूर मरेगी, राजा जरूर मरेगा, वह बोले, वह बोला। नेक्स्ट 14, नायक का स्त्रीलिंग नायिका, ठीक है। बधिका का स्त्रीलिंग बाधक, नर्तकी नर्तक, संवादी संवाद। गाय चर रही है, शुद्ध होगा बहुवचन रूप है, गायो, गाय चल रहा है, बहुवचन। नेक्स्ट, दिन का सही विलोम शब्द रात, विलोम मीन्स विपरीत। निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा शब्द समुद्र का पर्यायवाची, समुद्र का पर्यायवाची सागर, बहुत इजी। जलद तो मेघ का होता है, ठीक है। नसी, सरिता, सरिता जैसे नदी, नदिनी, सरोवर, जलवान, सरस। जलद मीन्स वादी, निदर, नीरद, प्रयाधर। नेक्स्ट, निम्नलिखित में से वाक्य में के लिए दिए गए विकल्प में से सटीक शब्द का चयन कीजिए। दूसरे का उपकार करने वाला, परोपकारी। विधर्मी है जो अपना धर्म का विपरीत आचरण करता है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट है दुभाषिया, दुभाषिया कौन है? वो जो दो भाषा जानता है, दो भाषा जानता है, ठीक है। एंड परदेशी, परदेशी जो अपने देश का नहीं है। उसके बाद कौन सा है देखो, क र य आ, सक्रिय, क र ह क हलंत, र हलंत, य रसोई या आ, क्रिया। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है प्रति एक, प्रत्येक। और है देखो, दिस वन इज इम्पोर्टेंट। अंडर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर्टिकल द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैज right to privacy been included? That is article 21. In article 21 right to privacy been included. ये इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, कौन सा है और एक इम्पोर्टेंट, रुको, इसरो, ओके। सो Hmm. So current, most of the question in 2017 comes from currently. Tigers Day celebrated July 29. और कोई इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट इन सब्जेक्ट में which of the following most accurately describe multiple inheritance? Multiple inheritance means when a child class has two or more parent classes. When a child class has two or more parent class. Next, the logic circuit of binary adder which is used to add 4-bit binary number required one half adder and three full adder. One half adder and three full adder required for 4-bit binary number. Next is seek time is referred the amount of time to read write the head of a hard disk. So read that is called seek time. Seek time basically is a read out time, read write time. Next, anti-aliasing is important for elimination of checks. This compute GCD of two number. GCD compute कर रहा है, ठीक है, GCD of two number. Next is after implementing the simplification we will get a c ना, a अगर common if we a and अच्छा c b c कैसे देखो यहाँ पे a c अगर कॉमन ले तो 1 प्लस b रहता है, 1 के साथ कोई भी मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो वो आंसर 1 आएगा. उसके बाद to declare the version of XML, that is the syntax we use for to declare the version of XML. This option is you can eliminate this option, ठीक है, this option also eliminate a question mark, always start with question mark. Next is a multimedia project is said to be non-linear and user interactive when user are given navigational control. So a multimedia project is said to be non-linear if user are interactive. Okay. Next is one, which of the following storage media storage of information is organized as a single continuous spiral groove. So this is CD-ROM. CD-ROM is the answer. On which of the following storage media, कौन सा storage media है, and storage information is organized as a single continuous spiral group, that is CD-ROM. Okay, next answer. That is called absolute. Okay, now 2 minute break. Next is which of the following represent the life cycle? Analyzing, design, coding, testing, operation, and maintenance. Then the relational database of model and cardinality is related to the tuple, the number of tuples. Now, 10 base 5 cabling is also known as a thick Ethernet. 10 base 5, thick Ethernet. So here you can see 10 base 5 is thick Ethernet. It uses bus topology. Then is 10 base 2. It is used thin Ethernet. 10 base 2. ठीक है 5 थिक इथरनेट 5 बड़ा है 2 से सब थिक थिन इथरनेट ठीक है उसके बाद T फॉर ट्विस्टेड पेयर F फॉर फाइबर ऑप्टिक केबल. So what is the bit rate? This color frame is given 8 and 40 is also given. So you have to multiply. After multiply you have to convert in megabit per second. The total frame you have to multiply with pixel number colors. Next, what is the length of an IP address? So IP address का length कितना है? That is 4. Actually in byte format. So in byte format it is 4 byte. Total 32 bit. Network ID plus host ID is there. Then next is program counter contain the address of the next address it will store. Okay, next is program counter is address where next is store. Then which of the formula most appropriate? For graphic is GIF. Next is only essential instruction for microprocessor chip and thus enhance its speed. Is risk reduce R for reduce. Next, this is the formula you have to apply. Next is that is immediate mode. Understandable natural join of two table is the combination of project and filtered the Cartesian product. Natural join is filtered the Cartesian product. Speed execution is cache memory. Which of the following device understand the format? Gateway. Understand the format. One from another. Buying and selling is e-commerce. Then a machine that used to convert domain name into IP address is known as DNS. DNS is domain name to convert into IP address. Domain name into IP address. Next is 1000 signal unit send. Multiply 4. Take it. 4 bits. That's right. Next, which of the following is postfix expression stack? Then complexity of linear search algorithm is ON. Complexity is to remember. And this is the traversing. After traverse, you will get this equation. All the data structure is not there in this syllabus. Aspect ratio is given. Next, take a look. 4096. The number of bits required to represent the decimal number 4096 in binary form. Number of bits required to represent decimal number, very much important. 4096 number of, so how many number it will get? 13. Total number is 13. After divide by 2, we will get this. See, 2 divided by 2 is 1, then 1 divided by 2 is 0, under 1. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is. Okay, next is in context. Visual basic, not there. Visual basic is not there. Leave it. Next, extra convert octal equivalent to hexadecimal. So hexadecimal is given. So you first you convert into binary, then you easily can convert into binary to decimal. Okay. Next is this is thing set that is so to the product x multiplied by. Stack. So the stack and क्यों भी नहीं है syllabus में. Different database is there. So the in conceptual level, internal level and external level are three component in three level of RDBMS. Which of the following is not a conceptual level? So storage dependent details. Storage is not. Storage is a part of internal level. Next, consider this R and S having three tuple S has 3, the seat 3 2 maximum appear. 3 2 is 6, 6 type of maximum. ठीक है, this is not there. ठीक है, SQL query अगर it will give either or answer. ठीक है, either Jaipur or in whenever you use na either or you will get the answer. So optical fiber work on internal reflection. Next, Semaphore are used to solve the problem of process and synchronization method. ठीक है, an entity that does not have sufficient attribute to form a key, that is weak entity. A combination of logic circuit is called multiplexer. When it is desired to send data from two or more sources through a single transmission line. Send data from two or more sources through a single transmission line. That is multiplexer. It is a digital switch multiplexer. A condition that is caused by runtime error is exception. In a computer program is known as exception. A register in the microprocessor that keep track of the answer or result of any that is accumulator. That is called accumulator. Hmm. That is not warehousing. Stacking area is the intermediate storage area used for data processing during the extract, transform, and load process of data warehousing. So that is called stacking area. Just keep this. Swapping is called when the memory allows the space to the process. JavaScript is not there. ठीक है, चलो. Normalization to achieve physical data independency, to remove the data anomalies and to save space on the disk. So 2 and 3 is correct. This is what is the violation, that is entity and domain integrity violation. ठीक है, entity and domain. Next is the boolean. When you solve this boolean expression, when you simplify it, you will get C. देखो ए बी है ना, ए बी सी, ए बी के साथ दिस फुल पार्ट, देन ए सी के साथ दिस. ठीक है, इसके बाद ए बी सी हो. अच्छा, आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग इट, ए वी नो ए, सी बार इज 0 एंड बी बार इज ऑल्सो बी. अच्छा, ए इज ए. सो बेस्ड ऑन दिस, ठीक है, here you can see a b bar, you common c bar, so it will be 1 a b bar. अच्छा, a bar b bar a b bar. ठीक है, so answer is 1 plus 1 के साथ अगर कुछ भी मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो क्या आंसर आएगा? 1 plus c, you will get 1 ना. अगर 1 के साथ when you anything multiply, you will get a b bar. Okay. Next is S1 is true, S2 is false. Leave the JavaScript. Okay. SQL. Select counter from person. So with SQL, how can you return the record? Select counter from person. ठीक है. H1 is the largest heading. Next, 3 2 processors are there. 3 plus 2 minus 1. And Java is strongly typed language. Okay, this leave previously if you see. This is Java coding, na? Leave it. Next, the minimum number of comparison of particular record is 32. So 2 to the power 32, that is 5. 2 to the 5 equal to 32, na? Process control block. The kernel keeps track to the state. Track on of the state, that is called process control block. Data structure is called process control block. So DTD is document type definition that is used to contain XHTML. Next, the term sum of the product is called the OR function with several AND functions. Sum of the product. Sum we use OR and product we use AND. So in this way you can also remember. Next is handshaking is called respond with another control signal to acknowledge the receipt. So the unit of receiving the data item respond with other, that is called handshaking. Next is stack. Okay, next is MOV is a control. ठीक है छोड़ो this one. See to round robin छोड़ दो. This is not. This is also not the part of the syllabus. The memory which does not lose it, that is non-volatile. Demand paging is physical. ठीक है. Next is highest reliability. Highest. Which of the following topology give highest? So mesh topology. Mesh topology give highest reliability. SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol, transferring the mail. Okay. Next is this is छोटो waiting for ready. Ready process में wait करे. ठीक है. Ready process में क्या करता है? Wait करता है. The process is waiting. ठीक है. Shortage of first 10 to the minus 3. ठीक है. Answer is stack. Recursive procedure implementing using stack. उसके बाद OLAP is the answer. Okay. IEEE floating point number is use 8 bits. IEEE single format floating point number use 8 bits. BITS. The command in XML document is given this. EOQ inventory control. Economic order quantity. A thread is also called lightweight process. Made by 55. Next is the major goal of observability is reuse. Previous is the best current technology. ECL is the fastest logic family. RDBMS is to ensure the integrity outer. Demand paging is what? The mechanism that bring a page into a memory. J and K flip-flop. Low J, low K, thank you. No change. ठीक है. Height of the tree, you will do this binary. ठीक है. उसके बाद next. Nulls reduce the space. So this is false statement. Foreign key, referential integrity, primary key, unique. Disadvantage, highly normalized database. ठीक है. C++ related statement is there. So all public and protected member of class circle inherited and protected. ठीक है. Merge sort is what? It is used the recursion. Sorting under recursion. Next, morphing is a special motion. Select command, which is not transmission management command. That is select is not a transaction command. Next is C, minimizing coupling and maximize the cohesion. Minimize करना क्या? Coupling को and maximize the cohesion. ठीक है. OLE is object linking and embedding. Thank you. So 2017 full official KVS का paper we will discuss here.